Here's what to expect of the MRI Core DX Cart from TrippNT. The MRI Core DX Cart is designed as a storage solution for use in the magnetic fields present in MRI suites. The cart has been certified as MRI Conditional to a 3 Tesla level, making the cart useful in many MRI environments. The cart provides internal storage with 3 drawers as well as a bulk storage area. The cart also comes with 6 external shelves. The advantage of the internal drawers is capacity and organization. You can fit a ton in this cart. Each drawer has a scoop cutout for the handle, which maintains a low profile on the front of the cart. The drawers are built with ABS, which makes it tough, durable, and of course appropriate for use in MRI environments. The slide action is smooth and constructed from high-density polyethylene, which ensures that it lasts a long time. And even though this is a plastic construction, the drawers still pop back into place with detents. Below the 3 drawers is our bulk storage area. The space is enclosed with a clear PETG sliding door, making it easy to see everything inside. The advantage of the external shelves is visual control and speed. Your frequently used items can be stored here, always in view, and easy to access. I should also mention that the 2 shelves on the top have cutouts available for dispensing Kim wipes or gloves. The top of the cart has a generous work surface spanning 22 inches wide. This area is perfect for staging or prepping your supplies. There are large handle holds on each side of the cart so that it's easy to move and control. Some customers like to hook spray bottles on the handle, which works fantastically well. There's also a tool or tablet holder located at the back of the cart. On the bottom, the cart comes equipped with 4 swiveling twin wheel casters. The twin wheel casters are great because they won't get stuck in an elevator gap or over any other obstacles you might come across. The body is made of high-density polyethylene, which is a smart long-term investment. It's very durable, corrosion and stain resistant, and super easy to clean. To take your organization to the next level, I highly recommend our drawer organizers. We have our 6-compartment, 4-compartment, a variation on our 4-compartment, all available separately for purchase. The MRI Core DX Cart is backed by our lifetime warranty and made here in the United States, making it a great partner for years to come. Visit TrippNT.com to learn more.